This is just for the sake of proving that what I've been saying in the video is actually true. Also, this is number 026. This is just to prove that this breadboard belongs to me. Right now, everything is turned off, and we're supposed to see 125 volts on the output. The voltmeter reads 1.27, which is almost 125, which is good enough. Fine. If I turn on A, then I should see about 4 volts, and this thing lights up. The voltmeter reads 3.92 volts. Now if I switch on B and turn off A, I should see 8 volts on the digital multimeter, and both the first LEDs will light up. The voltmeter reads 7.81. And finally, when I turn on both of them, I'm supposed to see 12 volts, which is what I see, almost. Everything is within 2%. Over here on the lower side of the board, we've got the digital circuit and the strain AND gate that's thrown over here because I didn't have enough space. And this is the analog part of the circuit over here. Now, at the moment, the circuit is supposed to be turned off because both my A, which is represented by 4 on the switch, and B, which is represented by 3, are turned off because the ground is brought up here, since both switches are turned on. This is my D flip-flop. The green wire represents the clock. Whenever I press the clock, it should change states if my switches have been changed. At the moment, we will see that no change occurs. Although I'm pressing the switch, we should expect to see all LEDs lit off, and the bulb should be lit off as well. Now, if I choose to make my A 1, I should see that the first LED lights up and the bulb is slightly lit up. Pressing the clock, we see indeed that the first LED lit up and the bulb is slightly lit compared to the last time. Now, if I switch off my A, we'll see that the circuit remains in the same state. If I press the clock again, it'll turn off. Now, if I make my B positive, then I should expect to see both first and second LEDs turned on, and the bulb will be lit on, so there's an 8 volt drop across it. Pressing the clock, we see that this is the case. Finally, if I choose to make my A1 as well, we should see that all 3 LEDs are lit on, and the bulb is supposed to shine even brighter. We see that this is the case. I will repeat the demonstration without saying anything. This was to compare the intensities of the bulb.